Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to start the data feed software with Amibroker. To start the data feed, simply double-click on the EqualRT from desktop icon. A pop-up will come. Kindly click on Show More Details. Now click on Change when these notifications appear. Kindly drag the line from up to down, then click on OK and click on Yes. This ensures smooth working on software. Again, double-click on EqualRT. It will start Amibroker software first. You can minimize Amibroker for now. Kindly wait for some time. EqualRT software will also start. Live data will start updating in Amibroker. Wait for backfill to complete in EqualRT. After backfill is done, you can see live and past data in Amibroker. Once you are done with your trading, to close the software, first, close the data feed, and then close Amibroker. We hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon in our next video. Thank you.